Hello and welcome. Are you looking for a way to organize your personal finance tips and budgeting strategies? Well, you are in the right place. Today, I am going to show you how to use YouTube tools like the Community tab and playlists to create a budget that works for you. Budgeting does not have to be complicated or overwhelming. The good news is YouTube has great tools to help you stay on track with your financial goals. Let us dive in. First, let us talk about YouTube playlists. Playlists are a fantastic way to collect videos that help you with budgeting. If you are someone who loves learning from different financial gurus, creating a playlist will make it easy for you to access their videos at any time. To start, go to the YouTube homepage and click on your profile picture. You will see the option to create a playlist. Click that, and you can name your playlist something like Personal Finance Tips or Budgeting Strategies. Now that your playlist is ready, start adding videos that teach you about managing money, cutting expenses, or building savings. Simply click on the three dots next to any video you like and select Save to Playlist. This way, you can build your collection of budgeting tips that you can watch whenever you need a reminder or a fresh idea. Another great tool to use is the Community tab. This feature allows you to interact with your favorite creators and stay updated on their latest content. Many financial experts use the Community tab to share tips, updates, and even polls. Follow those creators who share budgeting advice, and check out their posts regularly to get more value from their content. You can ask questions or share your own experiences, which helps you feel more connected to your financial journey. Once you start following these creators, make sure to check out their playlists too. They often organize their content in a way that helps you easily find budgeting tips, money-saving hacks, or strategies for paying off debt. By using these tools, you can create a custom collection of financial content that matches your goals and needs. So, why not make the most out of YouTube? Use playlists to keep all your finance tips in one place, and follow the experts who can guide you on your budgeting journey. With these tools, budgeting will feel more organized and less stressful. Before you go, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This way, you will never miss out on more helpful tips and tricks to manage your money better. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.